Lisa with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect loafer shoes, stop looking around because you have found the right ones here. These have been my favorite leather loafer shoes I have owned. They are so comfortable that I can wear them all day long. I was looking for something soft, comfortable, and light, and I have found it here. These are great with jeans, with a skirt, and even with shorts. These are great for daily wear. I promise you are not going to want to take them off once you see how comfy they are. These feel like leather slippers or socks, and there's no need to break them in. You're going to see that this is good quality leather. This has a soft supportive memory foam sole padded, which make it extra comfortable. And the leather, it's just buttery soft. I also appreciate that these have a non-slip rubber bottom. If you're looking for daily wear shoes, definitely check these out. This would make the perfect gift for any of your friends, relatives, or for yourself, since they come so beautifully packaged. These loafer shoes have by far been my favorite, and I know they will be yours too, and that is my point of view.